Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, it seems that the pressure is on Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft, that the layoffs are probably having an impact on the overall workforce of Microsoft, not being very happy of what's happening. So we learned that Satya Nadella sent an email to all the employees at Microsoft with the need to explain why, as their profits are at record high, they have laid off thousands of workers. And, it's one of those emails that just kind of try to brush up that the companies it's a hard thing to do for the company, and that they had to do it for X or X reasons, and that, trying to be as profitable as possible and as, dynamic as possible. And, the wording's used, of course, of any company that just, sends out this crap letters and emails, as, these layoffs have profound impact on employees themselves. It seems that there's a lot of employees at Microsoft that are a little scared now, saying, well, if you lay off people like that, as we are making record profits, what tells me that my job is not the next one to be removed? And so I think that the pressure was pretty high. A lot of people around, and a lot of analysts around Microsoft were kind of saying the same thing in the past few months, that, why now? Why do you do this when your company is just making so much money? And it's obvious a lot of people are thinking that AI is one of the big problems where Microsoft is laying off people, because they're spending so much money in AI stuff that ain't working that well, that they're trying to save money by, laying off people. And so this is, of course, something interesting to follow. Let's hope that there's not going to be too many more of these layoffs at Microsoft, but it seems that the pressure is really, really high on everybody at the top of Microsoft, everybody that's kind of getting pressure from employees, and also from, all the analysts that kind of say, well, this was not something you should have done. I think the pressure needs to continue to rise to make sure that Microsoft takes better decisions, especially when it has to do with the impacting employees. You enjoy my videos? Please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.